Hey guys, so today I'm just going to go over how to use PowToon. It's a really awesome site that allows you to create your own cartoons with voiceovers and music and whatever kind of audio you wanted to put over top of it. It's free to use if you want just to use the light version, but there is a paid version that gives you extra features. So to start off with, we're just going to click make a blank PowToon and it'll give you kind of a clean slate. So we just click that. Okay, so the first step to creating your PowToon is to choose your style. I'm going to choose Modern Edge just because it gives you the most features in the free version. So first, the first step is to create a background for your PowToon. Now each of your slides can be something different, but they have different themes so they can all kind of fit together. So I'm going to choose this cooking background for my first slide. So once you've chosen your background, you can add text, characters, and props. I'd recommend going with characters first. So you can pick from different themes of The Office or of the characters as well. So there's The Office, the Dream Team, and whatnot. So The Office is the free one that they give you. And you can see there's all these different characters that you can choose. So I'm going to choose this character. And here she appears on the screen. So you can mirror her, you can resize her, position her however you want her. And then you can click this button here to choose what she's doing. So if she's sad, angry, happy, we're going to make her happy in this case. So now we've got our character. We can choose to give her some props. So we go over here and click props, and the basic ones are free. So there's things like computers, chairs, and whatnot. Let's give her a thumbs up, and it's going to appear. So down here is your timeline. It shows when all of the things in your animation appear. So if we want the thumb to appear maybe a couple seconds after our girl does, we can position that, and then you can click here to choose your enter effect. So say we want it to float up, or you can click that, or you can add a hand that brings in the prop. So here's our thumbs up, and if you click at the beginning here and hit play, you'll see how it's coming along. And there's our thumbs up that we chose. So after you've chosen props or whatnot, or before, you can choose to put in some text. So there's some different text options. There's things like speech bubbles and whatnot. So say we wanted her to say something, we can add a speech bubble, and then you just double click and type in your speech that you would like her to say. And it does move separate from the speech bubbles. That can be tricky. And so the speech bubble, if you see here, there's two layers to that. There's our speech bubble and our wording. So we can choose when that appears as well. This one has a fade in effect, and that works for me. So if we watch, now that fades in, she says her stuff, and then our little prop comes in. So there's other stuff that you can use as well. There's shapes, so you can just add in arrows and stuff. The sound option we'll get to in a second. Media is you can insert your own media. So for example, in a previous PowToon, I used a picture of a guy using a microphone. So this is not from PowToon itself. This is just something I uploaded myself. And you can insert that into your PowToon just like any other object and have him appear maybe later on and have a hand add him. So you choose the hand. So if you see now, a hand slides him up. So lastly, once you've created your PowToon how you want it to look, you can go over, choose sound, and you can either add music or add a voiceover. So the voiceover that you record can either be per slide or for your entire presentation. I think it works best to record your voiceover for your entire presentation first, and then go through and add your animations according to your voiceover. So maybe we will just title this here, My PowToon, hit save, and then all you need to do is click export, and you can put it on YouTube, Facebook, or whatever you choose to upload it to. I hope this helped. Thanks, guys.